morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch TVC review only in Beno Arsanto's channel.
Hey, hello, back with me Beno in my channel. Long time not see, and this time I would like to show you the newest release of TVC from the Star Wars The Mandalorian. This one is Woves, and this Woves, this figure will complete the trio of the Mandalorian. Yeah, the one with Bo-Katan. Yeah, Bo-Katan and Koskariffs. Let's see how I unbox this figure only in Beno Arsanto channel. The box, it's still the same single carded figure for the TVC version. You will see the blister here. It's transparent, crystal clear, so you can see the figure inside of the blister. And on the back you will see some figures that already released. Then you can see that Bo-Katan and Koskariffs should be released together with Woves. So, but because I think this is a Target exclusive figure, so for the third world countries, they will get this a little bit late than some guys on the Western countries. Still the same packaging. Let's unbox him. And as you know from all of my channel, I'm never mock person, never mean on card. So let's open this guy free from his prison. This one you can see the another blister behind the main blister. It consists of this jetpack. Let's talk about the material of this figure, because this is Star Wars figure. Of course, all of it are mostly made from the PVC plastic, and it means that all of this part mostly consists of soft plastic. I think every part of this is soft plastic, even the hand and the hostler and even the head. The only ABS plastic on this figure is for the joints, like for the arms, the head, and on the thigh, on everything. Every joint should be made from ABS to make sure that they are strong enough to connect between two parts. In terms of 3-4-inch figures, nothing can beat the painting of Star Wars figure. They are painted accurately, and in this case you will see that he got some silver lining on his buckle and on something on his boot, and he got movie screen accurate color, and you can see some a little bit rust or battle damage on top of the plate armor, and you can see that the face, this kind of face, will have different tone from the area near of this face. So I think this is kind of a good figure, and you can see that this painting face technology, the what do you call it, a decal or something, it's very good. You can see him. This is so screen accurate with the actor who plays this Woves. Nothing can beat this technology of Hasbro in this scale. For the accessories, you will get 3 pieces of the accessories from this Woves. So you will get the jetpack, the blaster pistol, and of course a Mandalorian helmet. And this helmet, I think it's a bit of oversized because it must cover the normal size of the human head in these figures. So they have no choice other than make this one bigger. You will see these differences in my comparison section. Let's talk for the articulation of this figure. You will get barbell joint for that connect the the lower head and the upper neck, and you will get ball joint for the shoulder. And yes, of course, he can move his arms this height. It's this shoulder pad, it's not blocking the way of the movement. And of course you get the ball joint for the elbow, and he got ball joint in his wrist and ball joint on the abdomen and swivel joint on the belly. And also you will get a ball joint on the thigh. The thigh also can be swiveled, and a ball joint on the knees, and of course rocker ankle on the ankle, the rocker joint on the ankle. And this is a working hustler. And if you stand him side to side from the previous TVC of that watch Mandalorian, you can tell that these two are exactly the same figure. In every parts, they are the same. Even the jetpack is the same. The only difference is that this one is getting the new head, and while on this one, the head is different because he has no human face. While on this one, this X-Wolves is, of course, you will see the likeness of the human. And from what I tell you before, this is way bigger, the helmet, from the figure that has no human face on it. So you can see the size differences here. And if you compare him with the other fellow member of the Mandalorian gangs, you will tell that this guy is towering the other two girls. That the Cosca Reefs is actually a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't know. They are supposed to be the same, but I think it's just the placement of the head. But of course, this is taller guy, 180 centimeter in real life. So this is a great match for this figure. For the conclusion, this is the exact same figure from the That Was Mandalorian that already released in the previous wave of TVC, and I have already reviewed him, the That Watch Mandalorian, but this figure is must buy because you already have two of the fellow team member. You have Cosca Reef and of course Bo-Katan. So to complete this trio, you must buy this guy, X-Wolves. And moreover, this guy has a very great likeness and photorealistic technology on his face. You will not disappointed with the quality of the head, because we believe that all of the TVZ nowadays are very good in terms of painting and of course the articulation. So I hope this figure will help you to decide to buy this figure, to grab him while he's in the wild, in market. And greetings from the third world country. If you like my video, you can subscribe or comment anything you like. And may the force be with you. This is the way. See you in my another video. Bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.